Need to remove file association in Windows 11? I'll guide you through the steps. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to customize your file associations. Press Windows+I to launch the settings, and select Apps from the list of tabs in the navigation pane on the left. Next, click on Default Apps on the right. Scroll down to the bottom, and select Choose Defaults by File Type under Related Settings. Now select a file type to remove the present, and create new file associations in Windows 11. Select the desired app that you want to use to open this particular file type from now on, and click on OK. Press Windows+S to launch the search menu. Enter Control Panel in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Select Programs from the list of options here. Next, click on Default Programs. Now, click on the Associate a File Type or Protocol with a Program option. Press Windows+R to launch the Run command, enter Regedit in the text field, and either click on OK or hit Enter to launch the Registry Editor. Click Yes on the UAC User Account Control prompt that pops up, paste the following path in the address bar at the top, and hit Enter. Alternatively, you can navigate your way to it using the navigation pane on the left. All the file types will be listed in the navigation pane. Select the one for which you want to remove the file association, right-click on it, and select Delete from the context menu. Click Yes on the confirmation prompt to delete the key. Now, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to launch the Task Manager, locate the Windows Explorer, explorer.exe process, right-click on it, and select Restart. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.